I affectionately call this a $1,000 day packet because when I pick a day of the month that I want to have all of these orders turned in by, and I pass out 10 packets, I can have a $1,000 day. And but I name it the Share the Deal flyer. Pardon me, but my printer's not working very well right now. So Share the Deal just says that when you collect 200 in orders, then you get to choose one of these thank you gifts, and you also get our mini salt and pepper shakers for free as a dating gift. So here are our mini salt and pepper shakers. They're awesome. You guys, people will do amazing things to get these right now. And then while you're here, just really quickly, our thank you gifts that our hosts get when their party reaches 200 is first the Fridge Smart Minis, which sadly I don't have with me, but I do have the other thank you gifts. So this is another choice that is a thank you gift that they can choose. I really like this one. It's new. It's a Crystal Wave two-piece set that they can select as a thank you gift when their party gets to 200. Or, this is my real favorite, really. It's the That's a Bowl Junior. That's a junior bowl. So when your customers or your hosts, because that's who they'll be, pass around this packet and just collect $200 in orders, then they are going to get all of those gifts, okay? And so the packet, what it has in it, and I have this saved in a folder and the Rock On shared drive. On the packet, there is a space where you can put your contact information, and then the packet is just our normal flyer. I do format it just a little bit so it will fit with the extra information. The back side is the back. Again, sorry about my printer. And then right here, I give you another good amount of space that you can put information. So me personally, in that space, I usually put the date that the orders are due, who the host is, and how to contact me or how I want them to order. So also in the packet, I include a page of order forms. Now on the order form, you can put your contact information here, and then down here, you can also put your website address, or if you have a Google form or a job form or something like that that you use, you can put that information there. And everybody can do that. You guys, when you pass out using the normal numbers, the 200, when you pass out 10 of those packets and you give a specific day that you want those orders turned in by, then you're looking at having $1,000 in sales that day. So I like to always start out my month with at least 10 packets. I usually will do it twice. So when you make your packets, here's what I do with them. I like to take a sheet protector, okay, looks like this, and I put all of the papers inside. Then I add a catalog. So now they have the Share the Deal packet, complete with a catalog. And then some optional things that you can add if you would like is a citrus peeler, a Tupperware pen, and I feel like those most consultants have. You don't have to include a pen. I just happen to have them. And then what's super fun, again optional, is you can hang a keychain off of it. So imagine how fun it is when you're carrying around a Tupperware branded bag with these hanging out. And people are like, hey, they will actually stop me and say, what are those keychains? Like, what is that? And I'll say, oh, girl, you know what? If you just take this packet and you go and collect $200 in orders and then turn them in to me by X date, then you're going to be able to get, you get to keep the packet and everything attached to it, but you also are going to get our mini salt and pepper shakers for free with your order, and you get to choose one of these thank you gifts. And so that's what I do with these. When I pass these out, typically out of 10 packets, I'll have 2 or 3 that really won't do anything with them, and maybe they'll just place an order on their own, and that's okay. I just go ahead and process it. But typically I have at least 2 to 3 people who get between 250 and 300 in orders. I'll usually have a couple that get like 350, so they get some free Tupperware. And then I'll usually have at least one person out of the whole group that will have a $500 to $1,000 party just by using this packet. It is absolutely amazing. Then these are amazing recruiting tools. So whenever these gals and guys call you to turn in their orders, you're going to recruit them. Because what I'll say is, hey, Susan, you know what? The thing is, you just got $500 in orders and all you did was pass that one little packet around. You've just earned $125. So if you want to open up your account with Tupperware, we can go ahead and these sales can be yours. And we'll put them in under you. You get to keep the money and you get all the free stuff too. And usually they can't help but say yes because they just experienced how easy it was to collect orders with Tupperware. So this is how I use the $1,000 day packet or share the deal packet on a regular basis. The one thing, and it's probably the most important, is that you put a Post-it note on the outside. So whenever you pass out a packet, you keep the Post-it note that includes that host's name, address, well, not their address, but name, email, and phone number. And then that you've also said, okay, the packet is due on X day, so I'm going to call you that day. What is a good time? What's the best time for me to call? Write the time and the day and their information and how they want you to contact them on the Post-it note. And then follow up. Don't be shy about it because following up is professional.